Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Net Crochet y Tejido. In this small video I'm gonna show you how to sk2p. It's a 2-stitch decrease. It's very easy to do. I hope you guys like it and give it a try. And here is the small tutorial where I'm gonna explain how to do it. If you are not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell. That way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel. Then you'll find the English version in there. Also, I have some playlists. One of them is Ruby Steadman English tutorial. I have all my English tutorials. This is a very short video because it's very easy, very simple stitch to do. Sometimes you see a beautiful pattern and then they have these variations, and sometimes they don't make sense and you love the pattern but you're intimidated to do it. But what they do is just to short form all the explanation. Otherwise it will take an entire book to write one pattern because it's a lot writing to do. So for this one it's very easy. Sometimes or most of the time when you are doing this type of stitches, you are doing a lace work design, and I'm gonna do a lace motif in one of my next videos, and they use this stitch. So that's why I wanted to explain first, that way you see that it's very easy to do. With the stitch that I'm gonna do later, you can do a shawl or a scarf and it will look amazing. So I did some base stitches. So you will follow the pattern as you're supposed to until you get to the sk2p. Okay, I just doing a couple of stitches here. So for that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slip one stitch knitwise. You're gonna knit two together. And that stitch that you slip, you're going to pass it over and you're going to cast it off. And that's it. That is sk2p. Because it's a 2-stitch decrease. Because you did two together, you decrease one, plus this one that you pass over is 2-stitch decrease. And a couple more. Again, you're going to slip one knitwise. You're going to knit two together, and that one that you slip, you're going to pass it over. You see, it's very easy. Show you one more time. You slip one knitwise, knit two together, and slip that one over, and there you have it. And you will continue as you're supposed to with the pattern. It's as simple as that. Very easy and don't have any complication or anything to do. And you see, when you do that, all the stitches go to the left, bend to the left. Okay? So I hope you like this small demonstration and give a thumbs up and give it a try, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And if you make any of my design or any stitch and you want to send me some picture, you can do it through my Facebook page Ruby Net Crochet Tejido or my Instagram Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family, that way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day.